Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. This model didn't have a dampener arm at all, but if yours does, unscrew a Phillips head screw on the side to disengage the arm. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Unclip and remove the frame cover. Remove any debris in the housing. Remove the old filter from the frame. Install your new AQ1048 filter into the frame, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the frame and then press until it clicks secure. Reinstall the glove box door. Reinstall the dampener arm and securing screw, if you have one. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.